Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 54, and this is from our intermediate flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now part number 53, I would say this is also a part that's kind of well known for two different shapes. But yeah, let's just head straight into it so we can quickly have a look at it. So we go to parts, we go to part 54. I think I said part 53. So we open this, we can see already by default, first kind of impression is kind of like a letter I, you can say, or capital letter I, and it can also be kind of a silhouette of a pillar. So the shape is well known for that. Now to create this type of shape, there's kind of two ways you can normally go about it, or two main ways. First way is you basically use three rectangles. So you'll have one for the center, one for the top, one for the bottom. The top one you can normally just duplicate, you move it to the bottom. So if you're doing this in another vector program, it's a good way to go about it. The other way we can do this, a little bit more advanced, but it's normally the way I like to go because it's more simple. And what I'll do is I'll create a rectangle, put a little rectangle over the side, the size I want it, duplicate it to the other side and make a cutout. So then, so it's two ways we can go about making this shape. Now if we zoom in here, we can see we've got our 4 values here on the right. So the nice thing is they're not like with the circle, they just kept those values the same, where this one you can actually set the width and the height, which is very handy. So we've got the overall width, which is A, and we've got the overall height, which is B. And then for the little cutout rectangles, which if you set the left one, it will set the right one as well. We've got an X and a Y. So X is width, Y is height. So I'm just going to set this quick. Let's make this 200, 200, and then I'm going to make this rather large. Let's try it. So maybe about 80. Okay, no, let's try it. That's 70 and 70. Let's preview this, see what it looks like. There we go. It's not at all the little preview. We'll definitely have to get the width less if we want it close to the preview. But yeah, let's just quickly try that. So the X was the width. Let's make this one maybe about 40. Preview it. There we go. This is way closer. And then we go manual quantity 1. And then we say add. Now we add this little shape to our canvas. And yeah, this is our, I think I said third last shape. So we only have basically 2 more shapes left to go. Let's see where we can fit them in here. I should have maybe made this one a little bit smaller. But now, like I mentioned also before, you notice that our primary shape is definitely rectangles. So it's a lot of rectangles if you look at the base shapes. And there's a few circles, but most of them are rectangles with maybe a circle cutout or a rectangle type cutout. Like even these ones are actually more rectangles, just with rounded edges, as you can see that. But yeah, that is it on our part number 50. So if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the menu form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.